How can you turn an ordinary can of chickpeas into this delicious plant-based protein-packed cookie dough? We are about to show you how. It tastes exactly like the real thing. If you're like me, grew up with some Dairy Queen, all you need is these 6 simple ingredients to get started. Start off with some chickpeas, rinsed and drained. Then add a pinch of salt, a little bit of maple syrup. It's okay to be a little generous if you have a sweet tooth like me. And then we are going to add some vanilla extract, peanut butter, and some protein powder. We use this vanilla Garden of Life protein, but you can use whatever protein you prefer. Just be mindful about the amount because it'll get a little dry if you don't add exactly the amount that we've shown. Of course, you need to just check, use that rubber spatula, make sure you're mixing it until it is the texture that you prefer. And if you're like me, you're gonna wanna have a little taste test halfway through, make sure it's the sweetness you want. I am so excited. This took less than 10 minutes just to prep. You won't even know there's chickpeas in this by the time you're done. I am not even joking. Once it's the texture you want, you're gonna add that to a bowl. Oh my goodness. I don't know about you, but I grew up going to Dairy Queen. Those blizzards, the cookie dough blizzards specifically, used to be my favorite after school snack. We're just gonna add in some dark chocolate. And then we were gonna put this in the fridge and just wait for it to cool down. Oh, of course, one more taste test. Let it cool in the fridge for at least 1 hour. And there you have it, folks. 71 grams of protein in this full serving. You can put it into smaller bites, bigger bites, store in the fridge as a snack after your work day, add in some ice cream, however you'd like to enjoy. Now, if you'd like to check out any of our other recipes, click one of these, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video.